Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be tying a V-shape pleated gele, and the measurement for this gele is 70-30. So the first thing you need to do is to create about 4 to 5 pleats and make sure you arrange your pleat properly and you place it on your head in such a way that you leave one of your ears open. That is how you form your V shape. You leave one of your ears open, you use the gele to cover one ear and leave the other ear open. Then you bring the shorter hand from the back and you use it to cover the other ear. So that is how you form your V shape. So once you are done doing that, you create about 4 to 5 pleats. Also make sure your pleats are well arranged. So this is how you form your V shape. So once you are done creating your pleat, use a pin to secure that part. And once you are done securing it, you come to the other hand, then you use it to cover the pin. Make sure you cover the pin. So once you are done doing that, you start creating your pleat. So you create 2 to 3 pleats and you secure your pleat. Create 2 to 3 pleats, then secure your pleat. So once you are done securing that part, then you continue with the remaining pleats. The reason why we do this is just to give your gele like 2-step authentication so your gele doesn't scatter. So once you are done securing that part, you continue with the remaining pleats. So you can start creating your pleat from the middle, or you can start from the back. Anywhere you want to start, just make sure you complete your pleat. Don't stop halfway. If you are starting from the back, make sure the pleat get to the other side, the other end of the gele. Make sure you are able to put a finger, you run your finger through your pleat, if that makes sense. So you continue creating your pleat until you get to the last one. You can see the pleats are already there. The only thing you need to do is to arrange your pleat properly. So the pleats are already there. The only thing you need to do is to arrange the pleat properly. As you guys can see, it is very easy. So once you are done arranging your pleat, you secure your gele at the back. You can tie it or you can use pin. Just do the one that is convenient for you. Just make sure the gele is properly secured at the back. And once you are done securing your gele at the back, you just need to put finishing touches to your gele, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.